Hey guys, it's Ashley here of Stacks and the City, and I want to say hello and welcome to another amazing episode. Woo! Okay, you all, first of all, thanks you guys. Everyone is amazing. I'm super hyped for my subscribers. You guys are truly awesome. I'm loving the comments. Please keep them coming. I'm going to answer them as the best I can. But I do want to do a response video to Miss Beatrice Wells. She wants me to delve a little bit more into my investment story. And I know that a lot of us out there do have a lot of questions about investing, so I'm going to go ahead and go back over my investment story and give you guys some additional resources, particularly if you live in the DC metro area. So Miss Wells wants to know basically why did I change from being having someone actively manage my money to having myself do it? Am I happy with the commission? Am I happy with the growth? Was it a problem with the growth? What was going on? Basically, she's like, what's going on? Why are you doing it yourself? I feel you. Now, when I first started investing, I was about 21, 22, and I went to the BB&T Bank in Durham, and I had a gentleman named Chuck manage my money for me. I gave him $10,000 of my 22-year-old refund checks, Cracker Barrels, pay stubs, and let him manage it. So scared. I was terrified. But you all I knew at the time was that you're supposed to have investments. That was the only thing I knew. I didn't know anything else. So I'm like, okay, I'll just let you invest it. And at that time, I didn't think I was smart enough or capable enough of doing it myself. I thought this was some esoteric, fancy schmancy thing that someone else did. Also, another issue I had was I wanted to get someone else to manage my money, but a lot, especially in 2012, 2013, it was really difficult to find fund management companies, investing companies that would take a small, very small, low net worth investor. A lot of these big name investment firms take $1 million net worths, $500,000 in assets. 10 G's ain't nothing compared to what these folks have. But he took a chance on me. He believed in me, and he managed my money. So from there, I didn't do anything else, y'all. Honestly, Miss Wells, I can't tell you about growth. I don't know. I can't tell you about commission. I don't know. I didn't know. All I knew was it was $5,500 a year that goes to your Roth IRA, and that you're supposed to contribute $5,500 a year. And that's all I did. I wrote a check, $5,500 a year, and that was it. I can't tell you anything else. Now, just so you all know, there are fees associated with getting an investment account. So generally, it's called commission. So basically, every time you work with a financial advisor, they're getting a piece of your pie, generally a percentage of whatever your earnings are. So that's why financial advisors want to work with people who have $500,000 to $1 million net worths, because they're getting a higher percentage than someone with $10,000. You know what I'm saying? So very unfortunate. The fees can range anywhere from between 3%, 5%. It really does depend. Sometimes the higher your net worth is, the smaller the percentage is. It really does depend on the bank, on the investment firm that you'll be working with. So all that depends. In terms of growth, I didn't see the growth. I was confused. I'm like, okay. And I know that when you're investing, it's a long-term thing. So for example, in 2018, last year, the market was overall down. It was a down year. This year's doing pretty well. But again, all this comes with knowledge and with learning. So long story short, I didn't know anything, and I can't tell you because I really wasn't I wasn't even looking at my accounts, which is why I want to take charge in the money that I'm earning and the money that I'm investing, which is a big reason why I decided to invest myself. So I ended up transferring from Morgan Stanley to a Fidelity account that I own and operate, and I am working to build and construct my own portfolio. So right now, I haven't done this yet because I want to save up a little bit more money to do it, but I want to have 5 stocks in real estate because I love real estate. I have real estate. I own real estate, so I'll probably do REITs or maybe like materials companies. I want to do 5 fashion companies or retail because I love to shop, and I want to do 5 index funds or ETFs. Probably 5 to 10 of those. Depends, y'all. Depends. Because those are what Warren Buffett recommends, particularly your index funds. Those have high growth. It's like a variety pack of opportunities in different stocks, different markets. You can have Amazon, Apple. You have all these fun tech ones in one. It's like all for one. You get everything. So, and he says that those are really great for growth, for long-term growth. And I'm going to do it myself. It's also going to reduce the amount of fees that I have. you pay a lot of money for advisors to manage their money for you. Especially if you're starting out, you don't have a really large net worth, you can definitely do this yourself. You all, I'm still very new at this. I'm still learning. Every time I learn something new, I will share it with you all. In fact, a couple days ago, I went to the CBCF's Financial Literacy Workshop with Ms. Naima Barnes of BritePath. And apparently they have a really big organization, BritePath, which offers free financial consulting for the community. It's free, you all. It's in Alexandria, Virginia. So if you guys are in the DMV area, you definitely need to take advantage of that. Highly recommend you guys go. I am definitely gonna be there because I still have some questions about investing. I feel like my niche is a little bit more of real estate. I understand real estate a little bit more. We're always willing to learn. Y'all, getting this money is a lifelong learning process. So, in conclusion, I know nothing, but now I wanna be a little bit more active and I'm gonna figure it out. So now I have a better idea. All right, you guys. That's what I have for you all. If you have any questions about that, please let me know. I will add the BritePath's financial literacy information in the description box. All right, you guys, it's Ashley, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all are phenomenal, and keep it 100.